Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, it's another Jeffree Star mystery box unboxing. This is the medium box, which I think is called the premium, and it costs $45 and it has 5 items in it. So I'm in the UK. I ordered it on the 19th, which was a Friday. It shipped out on the 22nd, which was a Monday, and then it came the following Wednesday, which is the 31st. So it did take nearly 2 weeks from ordering to receiving it. So I ordered this with the bigger box and I paid $23 to have them both shipped from the US to the UK via Jeffree Star's website. However, Royal Mail sent them, or whoever, Jeffree Star, I don't know, instead of sending them both together, because I paid for them together, they were sent as separate boxes, so they both attracted a separate customs charge, which is a pain because if you're in the UK like me, you know they're really expensive. So they both attracted an £8 Royal Mail like admin fee plus then the 20%, because if they'd have been sent together I would have only paid one Royal Mail fee. So let's have a look at the box. I paid £16.92 in customs fees for these. So for the 2 boxes I paid £38 in customs. I was like blown away. So anyway, this is my box. So let's have a look what's inside. I know like a lot of people have got their boxes and done videos by now, so I still hope you enjoyed this one, and you know, let me know what you got, because I feel like there are the same variants going out to a lot of people. So it is a mystery because there are some slight differences, but I feel like a lot of people are getting the same boxes, but you know, I might be wrong, so let me know. So this is my box. So the first thing that was inside was a pop socket. So this box contains 5 items. However, one of the items is a pop socket, which is a shame. I would have liked to have seen like another lipstick or something. But yeah, that's a pop socket. I don't know how much they're worth. I got one of the liquid frosts. Now these are expensive, so I'm glad that I got this. This is in the shade Frozen Peach. So a lot of people got Frozen Peach. I saw some people got, the main ones that people got were Frozen Peach, and I think it was called Canary Bling. I saw maybe a handful of people getting the pink one, which is called Ice Cold, I think, and then I saw 1 or 2 people getting the darker one, which is called Crown Jewels. The majority of people either got Frozen Peach or the Canary Bling. So let's have a look at this. So this is not cheap, so I was glad I got to try one of these. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm glad that it's a very wearable shade for me. Oh, and you twist it and then the pump kind of goes up. And then it's a really nice, well, peachy colour with like a little pink reflect to it. So I'm glad that I got that. Okay, so the next item is a lip ammunition. I've never tried any of Jeffree's lip ammunitions before. However, I got the shade Gargoyle. So it's been so funny trying to see people pronounce gargoyle. I don't know why, but a lot of people have been calling it gargoyle and things like that. It's been really funny. So it's so pretty, like it's really sparkly pink, but it's grey, you know, like I am never gonna use grey. And it looks like it's got little like kind of bubbles all over it. I don't know if that's normal or what. I'm probably gonna have to contact Jeffree Star Cosmetics about that, because that looks a little weird. So the next shade I got in my box is Karma. Now this is like the one that I've seen, which is like a greeny kind of shade. You won't be able to see that much because it's in like a frosted kind of sparkly packaging, but it's a greeny kind of olive greeny kind of colour, and I wouldn't use that, so that one's a bit of a shame. And then I also got the question mark shade, which I also got in the bigger box, so that just looks like this. So those are the items that I got in my box. So I'm really excited for the Frozen Peach, like the liquid frost. But I don't really like this shade. I know it's a mystery box and you know, you don't know what you're getting, but that's not a shade for me. I'm not sure about this gargoyle shade, and I'll definitely need to speak to customer service about that. And then I've already got one of these. So it was an okay box. But yeah, I have seen some other people get some really good ones. I have seen people get the bullet lipstick in Allegedly, and I had my fingers crossed for that one, so I might have to treat myself to that. So yeah, this was like the medium box. It was okay. Would I do it again? Not sure. So thanks for watching this video today. I hope it's not going to be too long. If you got this box, let me know what you got. Did you get anything good? Because I am interested to find out, and I've been creeping on everybody's Instagram to see what they got in their boxes. So thanks for watching today. Check out my other videos, and I will see you again shortly. Bye.